Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to automatically highlight the active cells row in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, when I click on a cell, the active cells row gets automatically highlighted. So here I'll show you how you can do this in Excel. First of all, select the entire sheet by clicking here. If you want to apply this auto highlighting of the row in the data only, then you have to select only the data. But I want to apply this in entire sheet, so click here to select the entire sheet. Then go to conditional formatting tool, new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cell to format, and here in the formula bar write this formula equal to use the cell function, bracket open, then put here double quotation row double quotation bracket close, equal to, then put row open and close bracket. After writing this formula over here, click on the format button, click on the fill tab, then choose the color that you want for highlighting. Let me select this green color, then click on OK. Again click on OK, and here you see the row is highlighted, but when I click on another cell, the highlight is not changing automatically. If I scroll down and scroll up, the highlighting updates, but it is not updating in real time. For this, we have to write a small line of VBA code. For that, right click on the sheet name, click on view code. From this drop down, select oak sheet, and between these two lines of code, write this code, that is application.screen updating equal to true. Now close the VBA editor window. When you click on the cell, the highlighting now automatically changes. Now if you want to save this function in your Excel workbook, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, click on save as. From the type of the file, choose this Excel macro enabled workbook. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Let me select desktop, then click on the save button. Here in the desktop, you can see the macro enabled version of the file is given. To use the automatic highlighting of the active cells row feature, you have to open this macro enabled version of the file. So this is all about automatically highlighting the active cells row in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample data from the link given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.